Hello, beautiful people. My name is Danielle Louise, and you're watching Latte Say. If you're new to my channel, I talk about self-love, personal development, and just really getting to know yourself. And today I actually wanted to talk about my tagline: Get up, dress up, show up. And it's not about being fancy and what it is that you're dressing up in. It's about literally getting up and putting yourself in a position to where you can go and show up for what it is that you need to get done for the day and to just be that kickstart for you. So like earlier today, I needed to get up and do yoga with my daughter. So last night I went to bed in clothes that I knew that I could just wake up and do the yoga in. One less thing to, I guess, prevent me from being in the mood or saying some excuse as to why I just didn't want to do it. It's just an extra step that I just don't want to have to deal with. So and then I did that this morning with her, and made me feel so much better because I showed up for her. She actually called me on our house phone because she has it in her room and was like, "Mom, are we doing yoga this morning?" And I was like, "Yes, sweetheart." She's like, "Okay, meet me out in the living room." And I was like, "Okay, sweetheart." So I just thought that was the cutest thing, but I got up and I was already dressed up for it, and I showed up for her. So, it's just simple little things like that. But, like this weekend, I have this project that I wanted to do, and that's actually this room where I installed the shelves that you see behind me, and I printed out pictures of my artwork and put that on the wall, and just trying to organize my space a little bit more. And so I made sure that the clothes, I got up that morning. I knew what it was that I needed to do and get done. And I made sure that the clothes I had dressed myself in were clothes that I could, be flexible in and get dirty and, allow me to, to do this work. And, I showed up and I got it done. And, my room is coming together. It's come a long way. So, this is just like my personal creative space that I love to be able to come to and get, allow myself to get the inspiration to just do more, create more, and just be, better. So, so whatever it is, like later on today, I've got to get up and dress up and show up for my personal training that I have with Mark. And that's just something that I do every single week that I have to, stick on and follow through with. So whatever it is that you've got going on in your life, or whatever goals that you have, or, whatever it is that you're needing to get, to meet for the day, get up, dress up, show up. You've got this. It's not always the easiest to find the motivation to do some things that you really just don't want to do, or you're like, "Oh, I'm just going to put it on the back burner and just deal with it tomorrow." Well, then it's always going to be tomorrow. So get up, dress up, show up, get it done today, people. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe below. And I'll be posting another video of today, the yoga video with my child and getting up, and my personal training video with Mark later, and then just silly fun stuff with my kids. So stay tuned for that. I'll talk to you like it's later. Bye.